everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we discuss the world population, distribution, density and growth. If you do not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Before the discuss of population, world population, we are able to know what is population. Population is the number of people in a particular area or place. Population is the number of people. People means children, men, women. What number of men, women and children in a particular place? That is called population. Demography is the study of a population. Demography is the study of a population. The total number of people or organism in a given area. The total number of people or organism in a given area. Why we learn about population? Why? Because it is important to know how many women and men a country has, how many children are born each year, how many people die and how, whether they live in cities or village, can they read or write, and what work do they do. It is the reason. The world at the beginning of 21st century recorded the presence of over 6 billion population. Beginning of 21st century, the presence of over 6 billion population. We shall discuss the pattern of their distribution and density here. Next, pattern of population distribution in the world. World population distribution is uneven. Uneven means unequal. Uneven means unequal. The world population distribution is uneven or unequal. The term population distribution refers to the way people are spaced over the Earth's surface. Broadly, 90% of the world population lives in about 10% of its land area. Places which are sparsely populated contain few people, and places which are densely populated contain many people. It is different. The densely populated and sparsely populated. Densely populated means the place which contain many people, and sparsely populated means the place that contain few people. Sparsely populated places tend to be difficult place to live. So, population distribution means the pattern of where people live. So, population distribution means the pattern of where people live. This is the diagram of most populous country. The 10 most populous countries of the world contribute about 60% of the world population. The 10 most populous countries: China, India, USA, Indonesia, Brazil, Pakistan, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Russia and Mexico. Those are the 10 most populous countries. Density of population. Each unit of land has limited capacity to support people living on it. Hence, it is necessary to understand the ratio between the number of people to size of land. Population density is the number of people per unit area. Per unit area. Unit area means square km or square mile. Population density is the number of people per unit area, square km or square mile. Commonly, this may be calculated for a country, city, another territory or the entire world. Another territory or the entire world. So, how to measure density of population? How to measure? Density of population measured by population by area. Population by area. Density of population measured by population by area. For example, area of a region is equal to 100 square kilometer and population is equal to 1,60,000 persons. So, density of population is equal to population by area. It means population 1,60,000 by 100 square kilometer or 1,600 person by square kilometer. This is the density of population. Next, factor affecting or influencing the distribution of population. Distribution of population. In a country or in a place, we see that some places are sparsely populated and some places are densely populated. What are the main reason or main factor for this type of distribution of population? We discuss that. First, we discuss the factors affecting the influencing distribution of population. The first factors, number one factors, topography. 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 Topography is the one of the most important factors to uneven or for uneven distribution of population. Most important factors, because people prefer living on plain rather than plateaus and mountain. Since these areas are suitable for agriculture and manufacturing. Which area? Plain area. Plain area is suitable for agriculture and manufacturing, but plateau area and mountain is not suitable for activities, economic activities and also service activities. The Ganga Plain, one of the most densely populated area of the world, whereas mountains like the Alps, Andes and the Himalaya are thinly populated. So, which are the most densely populated area? The Ganga Plain are the most densely populated area of the world, whereas mountains like Alps, Andes and Himalaya are thinly or sparsely populated. Next, climate. An extreme climate such as a very hot or cold desert are uncomfortable for human habitation. People generally stay away from extreme climate like Sahara Desert, Antarctica, People like to stay in a suitable climate for living and their activities. Next factor, soil. Soil is also an important factor influencing the distribution of population, because fertile soil offer optimal land for farming. Fertile soil offer optimal land for farming. Fertile plain like Brahmaputra, Ganga and India, the Nile in Egypt are highly populated because of fertile soil. Because of fertile soil, the Brahmaputra and Ganga and Nile Nile in Egypt are highly populated because of fertile soil. Number 4, water. People prefer to live in those places where fresh water is easily available. People prefer to live in those places where fresh water is easily available. Water is the most important factors for life. Water is the most important factors for life. Water is used for drinking, bathing and cooking, and also for cattle, crop industries and navigation. It is because of this that river valleys are among the most densely populated area of the world. River valley is the most densely populated area of the world. And the desert have less population. And the desert have less population because of lack of water. Because of lack of water, the desert area have less population. Next, minerals. Next, minerals. Place with deposit of mineral are naturally more populated. Place with deposit of minerals are naturally more populated. Diamond mines of South Africa and discovery of oil in the Middle East lead to people sitting down in this area. In India, the area of Choto Nagpur Plateau and in Jharkhand and nearby area of Odisha see a high populated distribution because of the presence of huge mineral distribution. Because depends of mineral, the people create their activity and earn through the mineral. Next factor, urbanization. Urbanization means, or urbanization is the process of making an area more urban. Urbanization is the process of making an area more urban. So, urbanization or increase the opportunities of a cities. Cities offer better employment opportunities, educational opportunities and medical facilities, better means of transport and communication, which attract the people. Good civic amenities and the attraction of the city life draw people to the cities. It leads to rural to urban migration, and cities grow in size megacities of the world continue to attract large number of migrants every year. In other words, people of the rural area goes to the urban area for better opportunities, and the urban area is leads to the rural and urban migration. At result, the cities grow in size and density or distribution density of population is high in this urban area. Next, industrialization. Next factor, industrialization. Industrial wells provide job opportunities and attract large number of people. This include not just factory worker but also transport operators, shopkeepers, bank employee, doctor, teachers and other service provider. So industrialization is the most of the important factors of distribution of population. Next, social and cultural factors. Social and cultural factors. Some places attract more people because they have religious or cultural significance. In the same way, people tend to move away from places where there is social and political unrest. Many a time, government incentive of people to live in a sparsely populated area or move away from overcrowded place. So these are the factors of distribution of population. The first four factors. First four factors, also called geographical factors. Next, mineral and urbanization. Mineral, urbanization and industrialization is economic factors. And then social and cultural factors. If you like this video, please like, comment and share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get new videos. Thank you.